Welcome to online lecture series in organic chemistry, and we are discussing the chapter electronic spectra of complexes. In earlier video we have discussed the resultant orbital angular quantum number and spin multiplicity. In this video we are going to discuss the terms for some simple configurations and then spin orbit coupling, and then at the end of video we are going to discuss the ground state term symbol for few species. Now you know the term, it is the energy level resulting from electron-electron interaction, and symbol for term is L 2s plus 1, where this L, it is the resultant orbital angular quantum number, and 2s plus 1, this is the multiplicity, spin multiplicity. Now consider the simple electronic configuration S1. There is only one electron, and you know this electron, it is accommodated in s orbital, and for this s orbital azimuthal quantum number value, that is L, it is equal to 0, and this L, that is the resultant orbital angular quantum number, it is the sum of these L values. As there is only one L value, that is 0, so summation of L, of course it will be 0, and if capital L, that is resultant orbital angular quantum number, if it is 0, then the name of this state or state symbol is S, capital S. So state symbol is capital S. Now resultant spin quantum number, that is S, it is the algebraic sum of individual spin quantum number values. There is only one electron, and for this electron spin quantum number is half. So as only one electron is there, resultant spin quantum number, it will be half, that is capital S, this is half. Remember this S, capital S, this is the state symbol, whereas this another S, this is the resultant spin quantum number, this is half. Now the spin multiplicity, it is 2s plus 1, and value of S is half, so 2 into half plus 1, that is equal to 2. So spin multiplicity is 2, and at the end the term, now value of L, this L, it is S, capital S, this is the state symbol, that is S. Remember this capital S, it is not a resultant spin quantum number, but this is the state, name of state. So this is S, and it stands for L is equal to 0, and this is the multiplicity. Multiplicity is the 2, that is 2s plus 1, so it is 2. Consider another example. The configuration is P1. There is one electron in p orbital, it is accommodated in p orbital. There are 3 p orbitals, px, py, pz. Suppose it is accommodated in px orbital. For this electron L is equal to 1, because this electron present in p subshell, so value of azimuthal quantum number, it is 1. So capital L, that is resultant angular quantum number, orbital angular quantum number, it is equal to summation of or algebraic sum of L values, but there is only one value, L value, that is 1. So capital L, it is equal to 1, and when L is equal to 1, then corresponding state, it is P. Now resultant spin quantum number for this electron, so S is equal to summation of individual spin values, this is half, because there is only one electron, and spin multiplicity again 2s plus 1, as S is equal to half, then 2 into half plus 1, that is equal to 2, and the term, it is P2. So this P, it signifies that the resultant spin quantum number equal to 1, this is P, and number 2, it is the multiplicity. So you know multiplicity, it is related to the unpaired electron as well. When actually number of unpaired electron plus 1. So this multiplicity reflects that there is one unpaired electron. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. And the third example, the configuration is D1. If it is D1, then electron, it is accommodated in D subshell, and for D subshell L is equal to 2. And now capital L, it is the sum of L values, as there is only one L value, that is 2. So capital L, that is the resultant orbital angular quantum number, this is also 2. And when L is equal to 2, then corresponding state symbol is D, capital D. And resultant spin quantum number, as there is only one electron, S is equal to summation of our algebraic sum of individual spin values, that is equal to half, because only one electron is there. Spin multiplicity 2s plus 1, that is equal to 2 into half, because the resultant spin quantum number, it is half, plus 1, that is equal to 2, and the term is D2. So this D signifies that value of L is equal to 2. This L, it is equal to 2, and this multiplicity 2, it signifies that there is one unpaired electron. So these are the terms for very simple configurations, S1, P1, D1, etc. Now fourth quantum number we are going to discuss now, that is the total angular momentum quantum number, that is J, also called as spin orbit coupling or Russell Sounder coupling or LS coupling. Now here the L and S vectors couple with each other and give the total angular momentum quantum number, that is J. In other words, the total angular momentum quantum number, it is a result of coupling between the orbital angular quantum number and the resultant spin quantum number values. Now these J values, these are the positive values, ranges from L plus S to L minus S. So we can find out these J values from the values of L and S, and remember the J values, that is total angular momentum quantum number values, are positive values and ranges from L plus S to L minus S, and successive J value differ from neighboring value by 1. Again Mj, it is equal to plus J to minus J. For example, if J is equal to 1, then possible Mj values are plus 1, 0, minus 1. If J is equal to 2, then Mj values are plus 2, plus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. It is like that. Mj values ranges from plus J to minus J through 0. And each J value, it is 2J plus 1. 2J plus 1. And this is what is total angular momentum quantum number J. Now let us find out the ground state term symbol for some simple configurations, and the representation of term symbol is L J 2s plus 1, where this L, it is the resultant orbital angular quantum number, J is the total angular momentum quantum number right now we have discussed, and 2s plus 1, this is the multiplicity. So let us find out the ground state term symbol for hydrogen. You know, hydrogen atomic number is 1 and its electronic configuration is S1, 1s1. There is one electron present in S subshell, and this is the representation of that electron. It is present in S orbital, and for this electron, value of azimuthal quantum number, that is L, it is equal to 0, because this electron present in S subshell. Again there is only one electron, and therefore there is only one L value, and that is L is equal to 0. So capital L, that is resultant orbital angular quantum number. It is the sum of L values. As there is only one L value, that is L is equal to 0, so capital L, this is also equal to 0, and corresponding state symbol is S, capital S. Remember, this capital S, this is the state symbol and not the resultant spin quantum number, that is different. Now the resultant spin quantum number S, this is the algebraic sum of the individual spin values, but here there is only one unpaired electron, and therefore for that electron individual spin value it is half, and hence the resultant spin quantum number, it is also half. So capital S, this is now resultant spin quantum number, this is half. Now multiplicity, that is 2s plus 1, this is equal to 2 into half. This half, it is the resultant spin quantum number we have calculated here. So 2 into half plus 1, that is equal to 2. So multiplicity is 2. Now J values, as I said right now, J values, these are the positive values and ranges from L plus S to L minus S. So value of L is 0 and value of S is half. So L plus S means 0 plus half, that is equal to half, or L minus S, that is 0 minus half. So this will have no significance, and therefore J will have only one value, that is J is equal to half. And the term symbol is now S half 2. So this S, this signifies L is equal to 0, that is the resultant orbital quantum number 0, this is S. Now half, this signifies the total angular momentum quantum number, that is J, and this 2, it is a multiplicity. Now consider another example, ground state term symbol for helium, that is He. Helium atomic number 2 and its configuration is S2. 2 electrons accommodated in S orbital, and value of L is 0. For both the electrons, value of L is 0 because both electrons are present in S subshell. And value of L, capital L, this is 0 because L1 is 0, L2 is 0. So 0 plus 0 has no meaning. So capital L, this is equal to 0, and this symbol is again, state symbol is S. Now resultant spin quantum number, it is equal to plus half minus half. For first electron, individual spin value is half, and for second electron, individual spin value is minus half. So plus half minus half, that is equal to 0. This is the resultant spin quantum number, it is equal to 0. Now spin multiplicity we can find out from this resultant spin quantum number. So 2s plus 1, that is equal to 2 into 0 plus 1, that is equal to 1. So spin multiplicity is 1, and J value ranges from L plus S to L minus S. Here value of L is 0 and value of S is also 0. So L plus S, that is 0 plus 0, that is 0. L minus S is also 0. So value of J is 0, and therefore the term symbol for S2 configuration, that is for helium, it is S10. So this S, it reflects, or it implies that, or it corresponds to L is equal to 0, that is S. This is the state symbol. This 0, this is the new quantum number, that is the Russell-Sounder coupling or total angular momentum quantum number, and this one, it is the multiplicity, and this is the term symbol for S2, that is the helium.